everyone, it's Abby from Feather&Fossil Interior Design. Today I'm going to be showing you how to design a console table using the Create a New Product tool. I have created an office space and now I'm going to add a console table on the side wall. I'm going to start by clicking on Create New Product. Then I'm going to use the rectangle option to create my base shape. Now I'm using the push-pull function to add depth to my rectangle to create a console cabinet. I'm going to use the ruler function to divide my shape into thirds so I can add doors and shelves. Once measured out, I can use the pen tool to draw lines on top to create the separate sections. The offset function allows me to add detailing to the door panels, and the pen and the rectangle tool allow me to draw shelves in the middle section. The push and pull tool allows me to push back the sections of my console to create shelves. I can also use this on the cupboard doors to add depth to the panels. I'm now using the textures function to change the colour of my unit and to add some reeded glass to the doors. If at any time I need to change my console, I can click on the Modify button, top middle of the screen, and make amendments. I'm now using the Create New Product tool again to make legs for the console. I'm using the rectangle shape and the push-pull function. I'm then using the free movement function to position the leg underneath the console unit. I'm now using the command button on my keyboard and the group product function to group my console legs and then clone to duplicate them on the other side of the console unit. I'm now going to add some accessories to the console for the finishing touches. I'm using items from the catalogue such as decorative bowls, vases, books and candles. I'm using the rotate and free movement tools to make them fit to the space. Finally, I want to give the console some custom handles. I'm going to use the catalogue to search for handles and then apply them to the doors. I'm using the clone tool to make them match on each door. I'm then going to use a gold texture from the catalogue to make them in keeping with my design in the rest of the room. I'm now going to render the design by going to the top right hand corner. I'm going to adjust the lighting on the left hand side panel to suit my needs. Then in the bottom middle of the screen I will click Get Preview. Once I'm happy with the design I will click Take Render. I'm using the 4K option for the best quality. Here are the finished renders and designs. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to try Foyr's 14-day free trial. Click the link in the description below. See you in the next video.